Hi there, it's Miss Mason here. Let's make a Venn diagram together. We have read two stories that are very similar. The first one we read was called The Three Little Pigs. This was our classic tale written from The Three Little Pigs. The three little pigs were nice, and the wolf was big and bad. That story is going to belong in this circle. Then we read the true story of the three little pigs. This was written by the wolf. And the wolf was the nice character in the story. And the three little pigs were the mean characters in the story. That story is going to belong in this circle. Then we're going to talk about things that are the same and things that are different. If they're different, they'll go in their own circles. But the things that they both have that are the same are going to go in the middle. So I'm going to ask you some questions, and you're going to write down whether or not it's from the Three Little Pigs stories, the wolf story, or both. Were the characters in the story the same or different? The characters were the same. We had the three pigs and the wolf. They were both, all four of them were in the story together. The Three Little Pigs story had three pigs and a wolf, and the true story had the three little pigs and the wolf. Were there pigs in both stories? Yes, there were just three pigs in our story. So we're going to write pigs in the middle because both of them have pigs in the story. Pigs. What about, did the pigs act the same in both stories? No. So in our first story that we read, the pigs were they nice or mean in this story? In the first one, the pigs were nice in our first story. Pigs were nice. In our second story, were the pigs nice or mean? Pigs were mean in this second story. And the wolf was the one who was nice. So the pigs were nice in the first story, and the pigs were not nice in our second story. Did the wolf act the same in both stories? No. How did the wolf act in our first story? Wolf was he nice or mean? Wolf was mean in this first story. He was the big bad wolf. But when he told the story, the wolf was he nice or mean? He was nice in this story, yes. In our second story, the wolf was nice. All he wanted was a cup of sugar. Yes. So the wolf was mean in our first story, and the wolf was nice in the second story. What about the things the pigs used to build their house? Were they the same or different in each story? They were the same. They used straw, then sticks, and then bricks. So the materials were the same. They used straw, sticks, and bricks in the first story and in the second story. And did the same thing happen to the wolf at the end of each story? No, it was different. In the first story, he ran away. Remember, they couldn't catch him before he ran far away. And in our second story, what happened to the wolf? He went to jail. They caught him, and they thought that he was the mean character in the story, even though from his perspective, he was the nice one. The end. Very good job sorting our stories together today.